Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I am so excited to have every single one of you here. Today, you are in for a special treat, my friends, because I am here to share with you my very first Shop Miss A haul. Yeah, Shop Miss A. I've never shopped Miss A before, but I've seen several other YouTubers that have, and I mean, basically everything at their site is $1. If it's more than $1, it's because it's a bigger item, and it's still, I don't think I saw anything over $5. Don't quote me on that, but it is inexpensive, and it is some fun stuff. So what you're going to see when I unbox this today, guys, is Christmas gifts, giveaway, and things for myself. I will post a link so you guys can go check out their site for yourself. I thought I heard that it's possible to get a discount code. I don't know, but if I can find one, I will link that down below as well. If you decide to purchase your own products, guys, like always, let me know, partially because, well, I'm nosy. I want to know what you got, and I want to know what you think of it. This is a big package, guys, so let's just get straight to it. I don't even remember what I bought. The shipping was really fast. I was just kind of like plowing through the website and clicking on stuff left and right because it's only $1. So, yeah. Oh my. Look at this. It comes in a great big fancy bubble wrap thing. Is this a bag? Ooh. I hope it's a bag because I don't want to pop the bubbles. That's not my favorite sound in the world. I hope I can tell what it is. We'll just start pulling stuff off the top. Oh, hey, look at this. It's a stick. It's the receipt. All right, first things first. We have, oh yeah, these are 808 soap sheets, and they're rose scented. So they're like little sheets of soap, I guess. You just rub them between your hands with water, and you can stick them in your purse and wash your hands wherever you are, even if the bathroom doesn't have soap in it. You got your own. And I got a few of those, so you'll see more, because I was thinking that'd be a fun stocking stuffer. This is a mango scented bubble bar. How awesome is that? It smells really good. Then we've got, oh, these are cute. It's a Paw Paw makeup blender travel container. See, it comes apart. Stick your blender in there, and you're ready to travel. I think I might have got a few of those too, because again, for $1, stocking stuffers, guys. Next, I've got some Sexy Kiss Lip Plumping Tint and Shine lip gloss. I don't even know if that's the color or not, but it looks like if it is, it's a nude, like a nude kind of a natural color. Got an eyeshadow palette. This is what the outside of the packaging looks like. Doesn't that look gorgeous? It does have one of these little wobber jobbles in there, but I'm not going to use that. And there's the colors. A little bit of a shimmer up here. Very pretty. This is a rose bubble bar. Ooh, smells like natural rose too. Oh, see, I told you, this is another one of those Paw Paw Beauty Blender travel things. Stocking stuffer for the girls. And then I've got another lip Plumping Tint and Shine by Sexy Kiss, and I'm guessing these are the colors, and this is just a little bit darker than the last one that I had. I have another rose bubble bar. Oh yeah, this is just a holder for my beauty blender. These are hard to find. Ooh, it's squishy. At least they were for me. I don't go into a lot of makeup stores, so basically I'm at Target, Walmart, and Meijer, and I could not find one I like, but I found this, and again, you guys, $1, $1. Next. Ugh. Oh, yep. This is a Christmas gift for the girls. And it's just a face scrubber. Oh, it has a hard plastic cover on it. Well, it's taped on, so I'm not going to take it off. But it's just a bristle brush to wash your face with. Got that for the girls. So you'll probably see another one in here somewhere. Got another eyeshadow palette. This is the Sunshine Collection. You see the shimmers in there? Are they all shimmers? Well, I know the top two are. I'm not sure about the bottom one. But again, would that not be a fun smoky eye look? In fact, these colors would look awesome with like cheetah print or leopard print. They're just going to be fun to play with for a buck, y'all. I got another mango and rose Bubble Bar. I'm probably going to be using 2 of each of those scents for a Christmas gift as well. Got, oh wow, another eyeshadow palette by Santier. This is the Sunshine Collection as well. And these colors, y'all, I can't get it open. Can you see it through there? I don't want to open it because I'm going to give it away as a gift. But look at those colors, that purple. And then there's, it's getting opened. It's getting opened. Anybody who knows me, I can't resist temptation. So they'll understand, right? Oh my gosh, look. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is a pre-shower hair treatment. I don't know. I'll have to look up the instructions on that one, but it says to apply to your hair and then shampoo. Yeah, and then here's my third Paw Paw Beauty Blender container. Oh, look. Here's, I think, the last Mango Bubble Bar. Yes, they have to smell every single one. They smell so good. Okay, so here we have some AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder. This is in the color Banana. I've heard a lot of people talk about this. I don't have a finishing powder, but this will be my first one. But I've heard good things about it, so super excited to have found that. I've heard it's kind of hard to get your hands on. Here is a Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. And then we have a green apple sugar lip scrub. Again, most likely going to be a stocking stuffer. Oh, wow. Gosh. I'm just really impressed. I bought all this stuff. I picked every single thing out, and I'm just still shocked and amazed by all of it. What do y'all think of those colors? Could you not do a fun fall or even a Halloween look, especially with these two? Awesome! I need to get this mask out of here. It has a sticky thing on it and oh, it's not. Okay, and here we have, it's a hair catcher for our bathtub. We don't have a drain cover on our drain in our tub, so the hair sometimes can get clogged. So I just got one of these and it just catches the hair and you just pull the hair off and throw it away. Now I have an egg essence mask. The corner of that last box I pulled out was really shoved into it, so I was afraid to poke a hole in it, but I don't see one. So egg essence mask. I've seen other YouTubers use this. Definitely intrigued by anything that has egg in it, right? Apparently I was intrigued by pumpkin too, because this is an everyday veggie slice mask. Nourishing and exfoliating pumpkin sheet mask. There's that. We have another eyeshadow palette. This looks like one that I already opened. It is. I must have really liked this one. I got another one, so I'm guessing I got one for both kiddos. Or maybe I got one to put in a giveaway. It's hard saying what I was thinking. Ooh, another eyeshadow palette, but this one's different. Look at these colors. Are those not holy wowza? Those are gorgeous. Great fall look coming with this. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to have these. Beautiful. Okay, we have, oh, another eyeshadow palette. Wow. I must have got like every color they had. This, guys, full on, oopsie doopsie, mermaid look. Mermaid look coming at ya right there. Have I ever done a mermaid look? Have I ever been interested in a mermaid look? No. But now I am. Here we have an Argan oil hair mask. We've got a Brazil nut oil hair mask. There's a lot of stuff. I bet you can get a couple uses out of these. Got another eyeshadow palette. Again, guys, these colors are so stinking cool. They're pretty dark. I don't know if I'd be brave enough to wear those, but those are really pretty. Definitely pretty. They really shoved this stuff in here, and look, they bent my thing, which is not a big deal. I mean, it's not open. I don't know if I'm gonna show them a picture of that and see if they can replace it or not. I don't think it's ruined. But it is a watermelon lip scrub. I think we're okay. Not a biggie. Ooh, another eyeshadow palette. Are y'all surprised? Those are some very intense blues. Very pretty. And these are body warming patches. I think they're kind of like something similar to Icy Hot. That's kind of the impression that I got. Oh, it's not 10 pieces either. It's 12 pieces because I think you get one for free or something when you buy the jumbo pack. But it says, ready to use, air activated, relief of menstrual cramps, muscle pain, joint pain, strains, bruises, and arthritis. Safe natural heat. So I'm sure these will come in handy. Almost done, guys. So here we have some setting powder in the color Banana. Let's see if you can see that. Again, I'm gonna have to figure out how to use that because I've never used it before, but I have seen YouTubers use it and I want to try it too. And then last but not least, we've got another, ooh, this looks like it's broken, another eyeshadow palette, but I see chunks floating around in it, so let me see if it's ruined or not. I'm not real picky about my eyeshadow, and it looks like it's just a black one that's broke. Oh, guys. I don't even know how I'm going to show that to you. Can you see those colors? And look, that one's broken. So I'm going to send a picture of that in and see what happens, I think. Since I have to send that one in, I think I might just send in this lip scrub too and see if they can replace them. Okay, so there you have it. That is my very first AOA haul or Shop Miss A haul. I am definitely not disappointed, but I am a little brown thumbed from the broken eyeshadow. Anyways, guys, if you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. Again, make sure you click on the link down below and check out AOA or Shop Miss A's site. And again, let me know if you get anything. So, all right, that's what I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you all have a fantastic, wonderful week. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.